Hello everyone, welcome to Trendy Education. In this video, I'm going to explain you what is data structure. Along with that, I'm also going to explain you what is the definition of the data structure and the operations that we are going to perform in data structure, and also some benefits of the data structure. So why we need data structure? That is what I'm going to explain you in this video. So first, what is the definition of the data structure is? Let us see data. So data is nothing but the information that we are gathered from people or something. So these are nothing but the informations or something called as the details of the particular person or particular thing, anything. So this is called as the data. So structure, in the sense we are just going to organize or manage the data in a particular sense. So this is called as the data structures. So what is the definition of that is organizing the data in different ways. So data here is nothing but a set of values. So what are the things I told here is, first we are just going to organize or manage the data. That is managing the data. So the second thing here is we are going to just build a model. So what are those two models is logical or mathematical model. So these are the two types of model in data structures. So now, this logical or mathematical model of particular organization of data is called as data structures. Of particular organization of data is called as data structure. So this is the actual definition of the data structure. So now I'm going to explain you the two considerations we have in data structure. So let me explain you about detailing the two considerations of the data structures. So now I'm going to explain you what are the two considerations in data structure. What are those two considerations are? The first consideration is the structure. The structure should have the actual relationship between the data. So the structure should have the actual relationship. So the relationship between the data should be must. And the second thing we are going to see is the structure we are going to build should be simple enough to effective process. So the structure we are going to perform here should be simple and it also should be effective. The simple way is enough to effectively process the data. So this is how the definition of the data structure. So now coming to the point of operations in data structure. So what are the operations we have in data structure? So in data structure, we actually perform four basic operations. What are those? Are traversing, searching, and we have inserting and deleting. So these are the four basic operations in data structure. So what is traversing in the sense? In traversing, we are just going to access each record. That is, the record is nothing but the data's one single particular cell. So we are just going to access each record exactly once. We are going to access every record, that is each record exactly once, so that every records in the data set will be processed. So I am just going to access each record exactly once. So searching is nothing but we are just going to locate a particular record. So we are just going to find a particular record, or find particular record. So the next point is nothing but inserting. So inserting is nothing but going to add a new element to so adding a new record. So same, deleting is nothing but removing. That is, we are just going to delete a particular record from the data. So these are the 4 operations: removing a record or removing an existing record from the data set. So these are the 4 operations in data structure. Now coming to the need for data structure. So why we need data structure? So we need data structure for 3 main purposes. So what are those 3 main purposes of data search? The first one is the data search, and the second one here is processor speed. So this is the second one, and the third one here is the multiple record. So I'm going to explain you the 3 need. So what is the first one here is the data search. So what the data search will do is, we can for example, let us assume that we have millions and millions of records. So we have to search a particular data from these records. So it may slow down your system, or it may also shut down or hang out your system. So to break out or to overcome this problem, the data structure is used to search easily. And the second one here is the processor speed. So what is the process speed is, as like I told, let us assume thousands and thousands of records, and we have to process every record in your data sets. So in order to process each and every record, it may also sometime hang out your system. So in this case, we have to use data structures. And the third one is multiple record. So we have thousands. Let us assume another example. For example, let us take a Google search or Chrome. So you are going to search something in the Google. So as like you, another user also going to search anything or the thing you search. So in this case, sometimes the server will get slow. So to overcome this, the data structure is used. So thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope you understand, and feel free to ask me in the comment section if you have any doubts and clarify your doubts. Thank you.